Hi, boss Jimmy. So today I will talk about the 100 years of Hawaiian kings and queens, and it start with ancient Hawaii. For hundreds of years, this immigrant arrived from different sides of Polynesia Island, from Tonga, Samoa, Tahiti Island to Hawaii. And it comes to the first king, which is Kamehameha I. He fought many battles through his young life. He's also there when Captain Cook arrived, and he ruled peacefully for 25 years. Then it comes to the time of Queen Ka'ahumanu. She is the daughter of the Big Island Ali, and she introduced Hawaiian first codified body of laws after Christian ethics and the Ten Commandments. After her is Kamehameha II. So he's the second king of the Kingdom of Hawaii, and he was 22 when he was become a king. He's the best known of breaking over the 600 years old rule, the taboo system of by sharing a meal with the mom. And it's Kamehameha III. Under his rule, Hawaii's traditional system of land used along with the system is changed, and he also divided land and administered by allies and their land and overseers. After him is Kamehameha IV. His the uncle is Kamehameha III, and he is in the throne when he was taller and weighs as a crowned prince. He died at 29 years old. After him is Queen Emma. So she remained active in politics in her whole life. She reigned ancestfully and became the king ruling monarch. After her is King Kamehameha V. So he was the first king to encourage the revival of the traditional practice. Under his reign, a Hawaiian Board of Medicine was established. So after him is a king called Nualilo. So he was the grandnephew of King Kamehameha I by blood, and he composed Hawaiian first national themes. And after him is David Kalakaua. So he inspired the reawakening Hawaiian pride and nationalism for the kingdom. And the last one is Queen Liliuokalani. So she was born in a really high-rank Hawaiian family, and her role as a monarch developed to her country and people is very important. A scholar and musician and a composer. She is really important to Hawaiian culture. And finally, on November 25th in 1993, Hawaiian become part of America, and it is overthrown for the Hawaiian monarchy. Thank you.